Your item description is one of the most important parts of your listing because it helps buyers decide whether to buy your item and what to expect if they do. eBay offers a number of policies when it comes to item details. 1. All content in a listing must be directly related to the item or the seller's terms and conditions. 2. Item descriptions must be accurate and not mislead the buyer. For example, the item condition selected must match the item and should be consistent across all areas of the listing, title, description, and item specifics. The following are not allowed. 1. Symbols should be replaced with words, for example, use a copyright instead of copyright. 2. Subscript, superscript, or other special characters. 3. Confusing or unclear titles or subtitles. 3. Item specifics must be accurate. When item specifics are required, they must be filled out completely. The following are not allowed. 1. Use of inaccurate information such as does not apply, unbranded, generic, or AN for required product identifiers such as brand, UPC, or MPN, when the manufacturer has provided that information for the product. 2. Including information that is not specific to that field, such as the brand of an item in the item specific for size. Including terms in the wrong field of the listing. 4. Product details must match the item exactly when creating a listing using the eBay catalog. 5. Items must be listed in the correct category. 6. Item descriptions, including pictures and video, must be in the primary language of the eBay site where the item is listed. However, activity that doesn't follow eBay policy could result in a range of actions, including, for example, administratively ending or canceling listings, hiding or demoting all listings from search results, lowering seller rating, buying or selling restrictions, and account suspension. All fees paid or payable in relation to listings or accounts on which we take any action will not be refunded or otherwise credited to your account. eBay has this policy. When item descriptions are accurate and in the primary language of the eBay site the item is listed on, buyers get a clear understanding of what the item is and any terms and conditions related to the item before they buy. Thanks for watching this video.